Today we are gonna learn the female concept, or she in English. I'm gonna use the same code as I did with the male concept. That's it, the code 1, 2, but this time in the female sense. The female sense is 2, 1. That means that 2 must be greater than 1. So the first number must be greater than the second one. That means the female concept. For example, with the codes 2, 1, 2 is greater than 1. The first number is greater than the second one. In another pair of numbers like 3, 2, the first number 3 is greater than the second number 1. Or in the next pair 3.2, the number 3 is greater than the number 2. Or the last one that we have, 6.2, the first number 6 is greater than the second number. That means that every time that we have a serial or a pair of numbers, the first number of the left must be greater than the second number of the right. So imagine that we have now again the same message that we had with for the male example. The message is, this is my first message using the concept female. So now with this concept of female, the second number 2 with the code that we are using, 2 must be greater than the second 1. And we start from the left side of the sentence. That is, the first word is this. So the second is. This is. And from this letter, from this word is, we count 1 and become my. So now from my we repeat the code again, the 2, 1 code, and we count from my 2 words to the right, and it should be message. And now we count 1 again because we are using the code 2.1. And that's it. From message, the next word, the first word after the message is using. And we have this word in our sentence. And from using, we count again 2. This is the concept, do, 2. And we count 1 again, that is female. And we have this message. The message is, this is my first message using the concept female. But if we delete the message that we have behind, the message is like this, is my message using concept female. Imagine that we have, for example, instead of first, we have another word like, I don't know, awful or silly or whatever word that you want to write down. Then the message could be, the sentence is saying, this is my awful message using the concept female. This is the literal message. But if we read just the message that we have inside with the code 2.1, the message is my message using concept female. That means a change of the sense of the sentence very, very deeply, because the message can change completely. This is the sense of writing with this kind of code, that just one word can change all the message. Okay, I hope this will keep clear. I repeat that the concept female is when we have a pair of numbers like the code 2.1, and the first number of the left is greater than the second number of the right. And in a sentence like this, we start to count from the left side of the sentence, the first word, the second word, the third, the fourth, etc. And we count the second, that is the word is, the first, that is the word mine. We start again counting two from my, and is the message word, and two from this sentence, that is using word, and two again from the using word, that is the concept word, and one again from the concept word, that is female word. And this message is my message using concept female.